What do you want me to say?
You need to say meow you need to say the kitty.
Meow, meow, like that?
Yeah.
What does a chicken sound like?
It's called like the ducky sound.
That's a chicken?
No, the ducky.
Oh, it's a ducky, okay. How does a ducky sound?
It goes like the ducky sound.
Okay. How does a kitty sound?
It goes meow, meow.
And a puppy?
It goes roar.
How does a cow sound?
It goes roar like the cow sound.
Oh, that was a puppy. How does a cow sound?
It goes moo like the moon sound.
Like the moon sound?
Yeah. Talk to the grass.
What does the grass say?
Roar like the puppy grass.
Oh, grass sounds like a puppy?
Yeah.
Okay.
I want to do it again.
How does a
Can
bird?
I talk, Aiden?
How does a birdie sound?
It goes fly, fly like the birdie sound.
A birdie says fly, fly?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Talk the airplane.
How does an airplane sound?
It goes fly, airplane like the airplane sound.
An airplane sounds like a birdie?
No.
What's the difference?
Airplane fly.
Well, birdies fly too.
Talk to the furniture.
How does the furniture sound?
It goes, I train my own furniture.
I had a hard time getting